Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. If you're here, you're probably looking for ways to denoise your videos so that they look professional. In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about denoising your videos like a pro using only free and open source tools. Whenever we watch a video, we usually judge its quality by how clean or distortion-free it is. A video without any noise, distortion, or artifacts is perceived to be of higher quality and more professional. Therefore, you want your videos to be clean so that they look professional and are generally more pleasing to the eyes. Let me show you an example. As you can see, this video was shot in dim light, and therefore it contains a lot of digital noise. Generally, such shots are avoided in production, but this one is perfect for our tutorial. Using some of the tools available to us, we will denoise this noisy version of the shot and make it look like this, a clean, denoised version. Amazing, right? Let's begin. Today, we will be using FFmpeg to denoise our video, which is a free and open source tool. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can download it and follow along. There are plenty of state-of-the-art denoising algorithms that you can use to denoise your video. Here are some of them on the screen. Means, HUDN3D, BM3D, Denoise, and more. Depending on the noise in the video, you can choose which algorithm to use. There are many ways to denoise videos, but I generally like to reduce video noise in stages. This way, at each stage, I can gauge how much video quality is being retained or lost during the denoising process. At stage 0, we have our original video with all its details, along with the digital noise. Let me zoom in so you can see the digital noise more clearly. Let's move to stage 1. I like to begin with FFT Denoise, which helps reduce noise or grain while retaining much of the detail. I will put all the commands in the description of this video so you can follow along. As you can see, the digital noise in the video has reduced considerably. Some people like to keep this much noise and stop the denoising process here to preserve video detail. Indeed, stopping here helps to retain video details while maintaining noise at an acceptable level. But some prefer their videos to be cleaner, so we move on to stage 2. In this stage, we will employ Denoise over our previously denoised video from stage 1. An important point here is to reduce noise to an acceptable level without losing too much detail. As you can see, our video is looking much better than before. We observe that digital noise in the dark parts of the video has been reduced to acceptable levels. Now, let's brighten up the video and compare the final result. Let's use this same procedure on another video. Stage 0, the original video. Stage 1, denoised version. Stage 2, denoised version. Now, let's brighten up the video and compare the final result. I'll call it a day on this. Let's give a big thank you to Vinayak for his hard work in creating this video and YouTube for making this video available to you guys. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I know which videos you prefer to watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.